Okay, I've got the SQ1 Plus and I'm about to turn it on. You'll see what happens when you have a low battery. Warning, battery low, see menu. So if you press any button, you can resume normal operation, but I just pressed the button. It went to dynamic RAM. The internal sounds from the RAM more than likely are not going to come up in this situation, and that's what you are concerned about. You have to save each time, and it's not going to automatically come up. And I'll show you that in the manual here in a minute.
As taken from the Ensoniq SQ1 Plus manual, low battery voltage when to replace the battery. The reason that the SQ remembers sounds, sequences and other parameters, even when the power is off, is that all of its internal RAM is battery backed up. The battery that keeps the SQ memory intact is located inside the SQ, and when it becomes discharged, it must be replaced by an authorized Ensoniq repair station. The battery that came in your SQ is good for up to 5 years. You will know when it needs replacing, because the SQ will tell you so. One day you will switch the power on, and instead of its usual wake-up message, the display will read, "Warning, battery low, see manual." Press any button to commence normal operation. Then, make sure that all sounds and sequences/presets are saved to a storage card, and take the SQ to an authorized Ensoniq repair station as soon as possible to have the battery replaced.
Okay, I've got the back off of the Ensoniq SQ1 Plus, and as you can see, the battery is located towards the back in the middle of the control board. You can see right there at the back, that's where it's normally soldered in, and that's why the manual tells you to take it to an authorized dealer. But I got an external holder, and you can find these probably on eBay or Amazon, that I just soldered into the two connectors back there so that I could replace the battery myself. And every 5 years or so, you're gonna have to do that. So here's the battery. I can see there's a CR2325. So that's what I'm going to need, the 3-volt CR2325. I have this battery holder that I've soldered two connectors in there, and so I'm just going to remove the battery, the old battery, and I'm going to replace it with a new one. It says and I just went with the original, what was in there, which is the CR2325. Okay, got it all the way in there. Everything's still connected. Let's push it back there so it don't pop out of there. Let's see what we got. I got it back together, and I'm going to turn it on, see what happens after the battery has been replaced. Alright. Dynamic RAM. No battery warning error. So mission accomplished. It should retain information for the next 5 years. So we hope.